What's up, my friends? Today I'm going to be making the housing for our LumeCube. It looks like that right now because we don't have the housing for it, obviously. And I'm talking very quietly because my wife is still asleep in the next room. So that's why I've got my headset on. Let's see here. But I'm just going to go through SolidWorks and kind of show you my process for how I would make the housing for this. So, and this will be available on Thingiverse whenever I'm done with it today. So whenever we make our LumeCube, you can make your own and print it out and have it ready for your LumeCube. So, first I'm going to start with the LED and heatsink. Just going to measure the heatsink, the LED position, and then put it back on. So, got my calipers. Just put on lo-fi hip-hop beats to study chill to. That's what I'm thinking in my head right now. Yes, I know it's over-constrained. Chill out. Okay, so that's the part that will house the heatsink and the LED. I put these two cutouts right here because the wires for the LED have to come down. So. Excuse me. Okay. A lot of it depends on whether or not you care if the battery's exposed. So if you want to be able to just pop it out and pop a new one in, I think I'm gonna make mine with the battery exposed. I'll show you what you can do if you don't want to have the battery exposed. But if you have it exposed, you can also use it as just an 18650 charging circuit, and you can just use it to charge batteries too, which might be handy. Okay, so. Okay, now that I'm done with the design of the housing, I'm going to show you how I go 3D print it. That way you can replicate it and make it easiest to print and then take the supports off and stuff. If you're familiar with 3D printing, you can just skip to the end of the video at this point, but if you just want some tips, then feel free to keep watching. I'm going to put supports everywhere, so with that in mind, these are the orientations that I'm doing. Okay. So it's adhesion skirt, touch build plate. Oh no, it won't everywhere. 5 hours, 39 minutes. Alright, so I'm going to put all these files on Thingiverse as soon as I print them out and verify that they work, and then I'll be uploading this video and you guys can follow along. So hope my quiet whispery voice wasn't too creepy. But yeah, that's how I design my housing. I hope you learned something or found it valuable. So anyway, thank you for watching. Be sure to be kind to somebody today, and I will see you next time. I actually have to go take a coffee dump, so I'll be right back.